The stock of Tata Motors has been the cynosure of all eyes. In fact, the stock has been on a tear for the 8th day on the trot. If you look at the last two sessions itself, it has seen a fantastic run up, gaining almost 20% only in the last 2 days alone. Yesterday, we had JLR's numbers come by as far as their retail sales are concerned. There's been a very solid improvement on a sequential basis for JLR's retail volumes, coming in higher by 13% on a QOQ basis. You had the total volumes come in for the quarter gone by at 1.28 lakh units for JLR. While yes, it is still weaker or lower on a year-on-year basis, implying a 9% downtick YOY. It's the sequential improvement that seems to have caught the investors' eye and the market participants' attention as well, cheering which the stock was up phenomenally well in today's trading session as well. One of key markets for JLR, which is China, that has also shown a marked improvement on a sequential basis. It has grown nearly 20% QOQ and 19% growth has come in for the retail sales of JLR in the China market on a YOY basis. So, given the fact that all this while we've been talking about a weakness in China and slowdown woes in key global markets, given the fact that China has started to witness such a significant improvement, definitely has instilled a fair amount of confidence in the investor community as well. Retails for most other regions also recovered. They were up significantly on a QOQ basis. So that also seems to have aided the sentiment. The volume share of EVs also increased to 12% in Q3 from 6% in Q2. So it's the rising EV share as well, which is keeping markets upbeat. In fact, this morning itself, CLSA had come out with a note. They continue to forecast a sequential volume recovery for JLR, coupled with the mix improvement as well as cost rationalization, and they believe these factors combined together should drive a good free cash flow generation and a deleveraging for Tata Motors, and that is why they maintain their buy recommendation on the counter. The target price they have flagged off is 270 rupees a piece. They've also highlighted the fact that Tata Motors continues to remain their top pick in the auto space for 2021. So yes, it's essentially the JLR retail volumes. If you sort of dissect that as well, Land Rover has outperformed, primarily driven by Defender, Range Rover, Range Rover Sport. These are essentially the segments